Oh, they all came out. Oh, they're coming. Oh, run. Okay, so Isaac here is gonna throw a rock at that wasp nest. Let's do it. It's right in there. It's huge. First one. He missed by a mile. It's going really close. Oh! Run! He just obliterated that thing. Oh my gosh. It's literally been ripped in half. Alright, Isaac's gonna do another toss.
Ready?
Yep. If you hit this, dude. I'm gonna grab one, dude. Alright, here we go. Here, hold the camera. Alright, here we go. Okay, literally, it's right there. Almost. Alright, so I forgot to record, but he totally blew the bottom off, and now he's gonna try and hit the top. It's literally on the bottom right there. Alright, so here you go, Isaac. You gonna hit it again?
It's too sketchy.
He missed. Alright. He got it. Alright, throw it. No. Super stealthy, quiet. I gotta get that super good angle on the shot. Get it. Did you hit it?
No, I didn't.
Alright, we're gonna do 2 more rocks because I still have mine.
2 more tries and then we're gonna give up.
I'm scared, Isaac.
Here we go.
Scared, Isaac. He missed. Isaac, part 3. Now get closer, get way closer. No, you're not. Run. It's still there on day 2. I think we're gonna try and completely knock it down this time with some more rocks. Yeah, if you look close enough, see a couple bees, hornets flying in and out of the hornet's nest. Day 2, Isaac's got the first rock of the day. Let's see it, Isaac.
You should use the big rock first.
Oh, okay, yeah. Get the big rock. Gonna swap.
Can I actually?
Not that. Yeah, huge rock.
Here we go.
Get a little closer. You can get onto the sidewalk even. It's right there. Will Larson. No. Oh shoot! They're actually swarming. That's good, Will. That's good. You guys can barely see it, but look at. They're all swarming around. If we want to hit it, we're gonna have to hit it from like back here. Here with the payload in his little pouch. And Ruby's racing him. Toss it first. Holy moly, they all came out. Oh, they're coming. Run. Oh my gosh. They're already flying out to the sidewalk. That's really bad. So we're gonna wait a couple minutes until they kind of cool down and then we'll hit it again. Yeah. Oh, they all came out. Oh, they're coming. Oh, run. Here we go. Let's go, Lila. Dude, I'm backing up. Oh, you missed it. It's stuck. The cement block. We're gonna go right now. All right, so we made it. And the stick obviously is stuck. Okay. I got this life jacket on. Because it says life in the name. Lila's getting a life jacket on. This is gonna be super sketch, so we're getting some extra protection. Let's go. Oh. 3.
No. They're all in there.
That's all we gotta do. No, they're coming. Holy. It's raining really hard right now. We're sorry we didn't get that shot. It was kind of hard because we were super scared and it was raining. So we're gonna go check the aftermath right now. We might need, we're gonna use the umbrella as defense and as defense to the rain. So
let's go check it out.
Yeah. On the road, because there's no chance I'm gonna be.
There's no chance. Oh,
There's no chance I'm anywhere near that thing.
No, but there's no chance.
No way,
they're
it's
out
still
here.
up.
It's raining. No, what?
Dude, another trunk is on the ground.
Oh yeah, let's go zoom in.
Oh, it is completely destroyed. But we have to get it off.
Yeah.
Yikes, big yikes. Here, go, toss it. Ooh, they're kind of coming out, but. Oh, I missed. Oh, they all came out. Oh my gosh. Bro. Bro.
I am ready. Oh, I missed. Airball by a market.
Yeah, we're gonna go with the OG granny shot, okay? No, I'm not gonna on the grass. They're coming out to the grass. Alright. Oh. Yeah, we got the thing back. We got the stick back. We just yanked it out. After many attempts, we got the stick out. Alright, let's go. Are you gonna toss the stick, Isaac?
And the beehive,
It's
or
in,
the
it's on it.
moth nest.
Here we go.
Oh! He smashes it! Here he goes. He's going low. No, they're letting them die down. But here's Isaac. Do you have any commentary before you do the final
I hope I
blow?
don't get stung. That's all I want.
Last words, that's all you care. Just hope you don't get stung, dude.
Any for you?
I hope I don't get stung either. Yeah.
Alright. We got our protective gear on, so. Alright. He's going for the last blow.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he missed. There. Oh, Isaac. Oh. Ah. We're done with the beehive after one of our members got stung in the ear when going for the final blow. We had great luck before, but all times luck runs out. This time we got some water.
Doing it.
Isaac got stung, but still, they are at it again. We gotta get a close up first before we shoot. Up right in there. All right, now we're coming back here to watch the water gun. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, they're all coming out.
Oh! Dude, that was insane.
Okay. Look at all the beehive on the ground. Dang.
Holy moly.